Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the home screen simple mode in a Vivo phone. So if you want to make your home screen simple, or if you want to simplify how your home screen will look like, this is how you can do it. So first you can go to the settings on your Vivo phone, and then just tap in these lock screen and wallpaper options, and you can see there will be the simple mode options. So in a simple mode, if the simple mode is on, the home screen will use a simple layout and the system font size will be bigger. You can see this is how it will look like. So to enable it, just click on this little circle here until it turns to blue, and here you can see this is the last update. You can just click on this and click on agree. So the simple view specifically designed for the elderly with large font as well as custom functions that are simple and reassuring. So some functions of this app require our network connections. So this if you got like your grandparents, maybe you can use this simple mode or simple view for them to make it easier for them to use the phone. So let's click on experience now. Okay, so now it will load. Just wait until it's done. Okay, so you can set or exit simple view here, so check out now. Let's click on this. You can see this is how the simple mode look like. You can add another contact in here. You can, if you want to open camera, just click on this. You can also go to your albums just like that. So just that's how you can use the simple mode in a Vivo phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.